We're in Sinipit, Bubon Outreach. Ay, wala kayong tubig You might choke. You might choke. Pag walang tubig, baka mag-choke. Jane, Kyle. Okay, sabi kay Pastor Bong, wala dito yung stand sa bag. Baka nasa kotse, please. Thank you po. How's it? Don't choke, okay? Don't choke. I know, sometimes it stretched so long.
May nakikita ka ba? Hindi namin nakikita. Raisa, Kenneth,
Magandang hapon po! Ay, kasama ka rin?